quick replacement of two wheel bearing, which is a complete hub, and a Nissan Wingroad. So as you can see, I already removed the wheel. Next step, we're going to remove the rotor, which is this. For the rotor, we're going to pull it from So for the rotor, we remove the rotor. We have two bolts around here. One situated here and here. We're going to pull that next and remove the rotor. So we're going to take out the caliper, then remove the rotor and take it from there. Yeah, also we're going to remove the tire rod nut, release it, so we can have a better angle to pull the caliper bolt. And also the sensor, that's the ABS sensor right here, 10 nut, remove it also. CV joint bolt, that's also pull, and then we proceed from there. Alright, so stay tuned and see how it's done. Alright, so there you go. CV joint nut remove, rotor also remove, caliper I've removed, ABS sensor, remove that, tire then pull. So now we can also always turn the wheel to get the angle to pull the hub bolt. Now this carry 3 bolts around here. You can see one right here. Right here, that's one. Carry one up here. If you can see it, that's one there. The other one this side, right there. So we're gonna pull those 3 bolts to remove the hub. Okay, let's go. So there you have it. 3 bolts have removed. Now the hub's supposed to just come right off. You have to tap it with a hammer to get it off. The screwdriver. Right open. There we go. All right. So now we're going to remove this. There we go. This is the bearing and hub. Everything coming one. shield guard. Install back in place. Very easy. Time consuming. Make sure that the shield is back in place, the heat shield. Get the heat out of the sensor. Have it. Then the caliper. Problem here. Lower board. Catch. Make sure you catch both caliper bolt before you can tighten up. Alright, so you're gonna have problem when you tighten one on the outer place. I have problem to catch it. There we go. These things to get some more space. So you don't have to remove it, but make work easy. You can always do that. Okay. Have it. have it. Hub have replaced. Ready to ride.